right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, type REGSVR space D3DX11 scope 4342.dll and then hit enter. Okay, this is enter wrong. REGSVR32, then hit okay, and then click to OK, and then close the next method. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.